I'm here with my Dash mini griddle, and I am going to be roasting some pumpkin seeds.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So in this little bowl, I have some pumpkin seeds. I'm currently roasting a pumpkin in my mini multi-cooker, and I thought while I'm roasting the actual pumpkin, we can roast some pumpkin seeds in a Dash mini griddle. I'm waiting for the Dash mini griddle to heat up. When the blue light goes off, it means the griddle is fully heated. There it goes. And there's the griddle. I'm just going to put the pumpkin seeds in the griddle. They're damp because I just cleaned them off. I'm trying to put one layer, that's why I didn't want to pile them on too high. Let's close this and let's cook this for like 5 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes, so let's check on the pumpkin seeds. They look really good. Some people say to dry the seeds thoroughly before roasting them because they come out crisper, but I don't really care if they're more crisp or more chewy. We're just seeing how they come out in the Dash griddle right now. It's been a full 5 minutes now, and this is what we have here. They still have a ways to go, so I am going to shut this and we'll come back in another 5 minutes and check on them. Okay, it's been 5 more minutes. Let's see what's going on. Feels like they're starting to dry out. But they do have a ways to go, so let's close this and let's come back in 10 minutes this time. It's now 10 minutes later. Let's see what's going on here. They're starting to darken in color a little bit. They're nice and hot. They don't really smell roasted yet, but they are crisp. I just bit into one. It tasted good. I feel like they still have a little ways to go. Let me try another one. I just ate that one with the shell and all, and it was really good. So normally I do like to take this outer shell off and just eat the pumpkin seed that's in the middle. But because these are so small, I was able to eat the shell and all, and it was pretty good. I'm gonna let these roast for another 5 minutes. So 5 more minutes have gone by, and this is what they look like. They're still darkening a bit, and to be honest with you, I've been sitting here kind of stealing some from this Dash griddle. I've just been taking one out and then eating them. I've been shelling them. These are really small, so there's not a whole lot of pumpkin seed in them, but they're really good. And yeah, I've been enjoying them. So right now, I guess these have been cooking for about 20 minutes, which is fine. They're nicely roasted. They're really nicely roasted. And I would say they came out well. Like, I would do this again. And it would be nice to have bigger seeds. But if you like to eat them with the shell and all, the small ones are really nice. So that is how you can roast pumpkin seeds in a Dash mini griddle. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post another video like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.